today, and I hope everyone is more inspired and intuitive to explore more in their career path. And thank you for all the teachers who make this event more special. And remember always that there's more possibilities. Okay, thank you everyone.
Alright, thank you, Teacher Ren. And now all good things must come to an end. So I want to thank you all once again for being here today. Safe travels, and I look forward to seeing you at our next event. Once again, this is Liza. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye, everyone. For the certificates, it will be to be followed. Okay, thank you.
Career paths and learn about various job opportunities available to them. We all gathered here today, fun and celebrate students.
Alright, congratulations!